What's going on, people? Welcome back to the fourth dimension. Just a quick video real quick, show you guys how to change your engine air filter and your cabin air filter for your Dodge Challenger and Charger. Now, they don't change much about these cars, so it's pretty much the same throughout all the years. Engine air filter is right here. Get you a Phillips head. You have 1, 2, 3 to take off, and then you got some clips back here, right? Cabin air filter right up here. Pull these tabs, pull this up, the cabin air filter is right there. This part right here, you want to pull it up, unsnap it, reach in there. You're gonna need 2 hands for this. Reach in there, get the cabin air filter out. Part number. Once you take these screws out, take them out. Come on. Lift up this tab. Bro. Hey, you ain't gotta worry about it though.
I don't, thank you, because my car be sounding horrible.
Lift it up and you can pull it out just like that. Simple and, well, not simple and clean, but it's about to be clean. Just like that. Yes. Once you got the filters in, remember the wider part, the how do you say it, the flat part needs to be up here, so it like it's flat, right? How this box is flat. I'm finna just show you, it don't even matter. I'm finna show you. Take the screws out again. The cabin air filter is kind of hard to get to, not really, but it's kind of difficult. I can probably pull it up like this. Nah, I'm not gonna. Let me properly do this. Video, you know, see how the flat part is flat, right? It needs to be flush. There you go. It needs to be flush with the lid. Once you do that, set it in there. It's gonna fit just right. Put your screws back on there. You got 3 tabs up in here. You gotta line up. It goes underneath it. Push it in, lock it in. Put your screws in. Hand tighten them first so you won't drop it. Trying to drill it in. Cabin air filter is, both of them pretty easy. This takes 15 minutes, bro. Not even 15, more like 10. Screw them back in. There we go. Get that click. Get that click. Nope, that one's not clicking. Line it up. But let me see if I feel it on the other side. Alright, it's in there. A little wiggle test. See, cabin air filter is up here. You can spray some nice little air freshener before you put it back in there. It's a tight squeeze if you got big hands. But anyway, that's it for this video. Like I said, here's your part number 332460 VF2027. Thank you guys for watching. Peace out.